right?
To which door?
The other door in the bar room that was question mark, but we couldn't get through.
Yeah, I think so.
So let's straight, right, left, straight. No. Here, right. No, right. Up here to the right.
Okay.
Then up here to the left.
Okay.
And down here to the right.
Okay.
And then
Wait. I want to see if we can save the guy.
What?
I want to see if we can save Samuel.
Oh, we can't save him.
Well, apparently we can't. I don't know. I just thought maybe now that we've been through this part, if we went back there.
No, other way, baby. Oh, man.